Hello everyone, Robbie from Saskatchewan here. Please excuse my bad lighting. I do not have my other lights set up done yet, so there's going to be some shadows. Please forgive that. I am going to try a little painting. I have picked up from the dollar store these wonderful little cards. They have magnets on the back of them. So I'm going to try making a couple fridge magnets. And we'll see what happens. Now when you're doing these paintings, as always, there's a learning curve. And sometimes things work out. Sometimes Sometimes pours work amazingly well. Sometimes they don't. Yeah. It takes a lot of bravery to post the ones that don't work out and live with the aftermath. Now this white is got tons of bubbles because I just mixed it, and then I made the mistake of deciding that I should shake it. So now I've got tons of bubbles in here that I have to get rid of. One of the ways that I get rid of my bubbles is by using my handy dandy torch. Some people use a blow dryer, and some people sit there and poke ball, but when you have this many, that is just not efficient. There we go. Okay, so let's see what we can create here. I have blue, yellow, white. I'm going to use some red. And how about some copper in there? What do you guys think? Sorry that I bumped it again. Oh my goodness, I'm getting you guys all dizzy. I'm going to put it right there. And I think I'm going to make a happy face. Ooh, that's nasty. Don't put that in. You can tell I haven't used this top for a couple days. Oh my goodness. Should probably do this even though it'll make bubbles. Just give it a little bit of a helper. Let's make a happy face here. Because who doesn't want to be happy? Let's make a red nose. And then, oh. You know what would be really cool? Some green hair. There. I know, kind of crazy, but I like it. And let's do a crazy drizzle like that. Because why not? There we go. Now I'm gonna do this wonderful semicircle of paint out there. And to get those cells a-popping, see what happens. Let's do that. Boom. Awesome. Now I'm going to do this, and I'm going to do that. And I'm making a nasty puddle. Look at that. It's not exactly like Rinska does, is it? She doesn't leave a big mess like that. We're going to just fix that up here. I'll hit it with a torch just to get those bubbles out. Ooh, look at those cells coming up. That's kind of funky. Alrighty. I kind of like this already. Bring it up so you guys can take a closer look at this before I start blowing it out. I wonder what's going to happen. They're just so vivid and pretty. Wow. Did not expect that to happen. But I kind of like it. What do you think? Look at that. Those cells that are coming up in here are just amazing. I love that. Look at that color in there. And we're just gonna hold it like this and just give it a little bit of a tilt. Let those cells move just a little bit. Am I still on camera? Wow. I love when the nice big cells come popping out and just give you a big ol' hello. Wow. I'm just gonna, I don't really want to lose those cells right there, so I'm just gonna bring it down just a little bit this way, a little bit that way. So guys, what do you think? Remember to like this video. Make sure you leave a comment, say hello, tell me where you're from and what you think of this so far. And remember to try and subscribe to the channel as well.